Hey everyone, welcome back to How To Creators. Today, we're going to talk about a topic we all care about, how to smell good all day. Whether you're at school, work, or hanging out with friends, feeling fresh and confident is a game changer. So, let's jump right into some easy steps and tips to keep you smelling amazing from morning to night. Step 1 is simple but crucial. Start with a clean slate. Take a shower or bath using a gentle scented body wash that you love. Make sure to pay extra attention to areas that tend to sweat more, like your underarms and feet. After your shower, apply a moisturizer with a scent that complements your body wash. This will help lock in the fragrance and keep your skin hydrated. Next, choose the right deodorant or antiperspirant. There are many options available: roll-ons, sprays, sticks, each with their own pros and cons. If you tend to sweat a lot, an antiperspirant can help keep you dry, while a deodorant will help mask any odors. Find a scent that you like and that works well with your body chemistry. Step 3 is all about layering your fragrances. After applying deodorant, use a body spray or light perfume to add another layer of scent. Be sure to apply these on pulse points like your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. This will help the fragrance last longer. For an extra boost, carry a small bottle of your favorite scent in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. Don't forget that your clothes and accessories can also help you smell good all day. Make sure your clothes are clean and fresh smelling. You can use fabric refreshers or scented laundry detergents for an extra kick. If you wear scarves or jewelry, you can lightly spray them with your perfume as well. Just be careful not to overdo it. Step 5 is all about staying fresh on the go. Keep a small kit in your bag with essentials like portable wipes, a mini deodorant, and a travel-sized perfume. This way, you can freshen up quickly whenever you need to. A quick touch-up can make a huge difference in how you feel and smell throughout the day. Believe it or not, what you eat and drink can also affect how you smell. Foods like garlic, onions, and spicy dishes can leave a lingering smell on your skin and breath. Instead, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water to help keep your body hydrated and your scent neutral. Your hair can hold onto odors from the environment, so it's important to keep it smelling great too. Use a hair mist or a lightly scented hair product to keep your locks fresh. If you don't have a hair mist, you can lightly spray your hairbrush with your favorite perfume and run it through your hair. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, don't overspray your perfume or body mist. It can be overwhelming. Also, never skip deodorant, even if you think you don't need it. Finally, make sure to wash your clothes regularly. Even if they look clean, they can hold on to smells. And there you have it, girls, our top tips on how to smell good all day. With these simple steps, you'll feel fresh, confident, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fabulous, everyone!